Hi, today we're here to show you the new two-factor authentication command package for Automation Anywhere A2019. The A2019 two-factor authentication command package allows you to add additional security into your bot. Two-factor authentication is much stronger security than passwords alone. It assumes that the user has something or knows something in addition that only they would have, so that you can be much more secure in your approach to who's allowed to use your bots. By putting the command package at the front of your bot, you can basically ask your user to enter a code that is time-based and either based on an authenticator app. Google or Microsoft authenticator apps on a mobile device will work great, or you can share the code through email or text with them and have them re-enter it. So the bot has a couple of different sections to it, and we're going to review each. And when you download the bot, you get demo bots to show you how to use these. The first thing you need to do is create the secret key and the QR code. The QR code was what you will use to simplify the creation of the account in your Authenticator app. The secret code is what will be needed by the bot in order to generate codes and to validate codes in the future. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to run our create secret key and QR code bot. Now you'll see it ask for an email address and a company. These are components that help to qualify the account when it's inside the Authenticator app. So I'm going to call it jojo@funtimes.com. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a real email. It's not used for that. Again, it's just used for account identification. Funtimes Zoo. Okay, all right, now I'm going to confirm. The bot's going to run. It says it's successful. And there's my QR code. When you do this, you'll have your Authenticator app. You would then point your Authenticator app at that QR code, and you'll see that the account will be added, and you'll have a time-based synchronization. So it also, you'll notice, creates a secondary file called the two-factor authentication or secret key. You'll need that secret key in the next part of the demo bot. So we're going to go back to our demo bots, and we're going to click on two-factor authentication, and we're going to do validate. This time we're going to prove that the bot actually does what we assume. It's going to ask for that secret key now. So we go and we copy the secret key from the file. Okay, and we save that in there. You could put this in a credential vault, you could put this in a database, you could add it to a user profile. These are all things that you do. So now the code on my authenticator says 346172, so that's what I'm going to add, and you'll see the message is valid. Okay, now just to prove that this works, I'm going to enter gibberish code. And you'll see that the code is invalid. All right, good. So, and then the final component of this is to actually demonstrate how the code can be sent out and then entered. And this is using our interactive forms capability that has just been released as part of A2019. This time I need a real email address, or I will never get the code. Okay, see here, it's asking me to enter the access code, which I should have received an email. I'm going to go to my email app. I'm going to open my two-factor authentication. There's my code. copy that out, and I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm going to say validate. Provided code is valid. Bot processing can continue. So again, I'm just going to show you real quick. See, if you put this at the beginning and you failed the test for validation, the bot won't run. All right, so now you have a way for your attended bots of adding two-factor authentication and ensuring that the person who's running the bot is somebody who should be utilizing that bot. I want to thank you for downloading the package, and I wish you all the luck with using it. And if you have any problems, we'll see you out on A People.